Hello everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Elvi Marito with student ID number F1C425089 from majoring biology. So now I will presenting about my major. Hope you enjoy this video. The pure biology major is a deep field of study that explores the fundamental principles of life, from the smallest molecules with the cells to the interaction of living organisms with their environment. Unlike applied biology, which focuses on applying knowledge to practical fields, pure biology emphasizes understanding why and how life works. In this measure, students will study various disciplines such as biochemistry. Biochemistry is the structure and function of biological molecules like proteins, DNA, and lipids. Cellular and molecular biology is the internal workings of cells and the mechanism of trade interactions. Plant and animal biology is the structure, function, and classification of multicellular organisms. Evolution and genetics is the origin and change of living organisms over time. And ecology is the interaction of living organisms with their environment and with one another. The learning process is not limited to classroom lectures, but also includes laboratory practicals to develop skills in observation, experimentation, and data analysis. Graduates of pure biology can pursue further studies at the postgraduate level, master's and doctoral degrees for in-depth research or work in fields such as scientific research, education, data conservation, or private government research institutions. What is biochemistry? Biochemistry, also called biological chemistry, is a scientific field that combines chemical principles with biological knowledge to understand the structure, function, and chemical processes that occur within living organisms. This field aims to answer fundamental questions such as how are biological molecules formed, how do cells produce energy, and how is genetic information transferred and expressed. In other words, biochemistry is the key to understanding the language of life at the molecular level. Main branches of biochemistry is biochemistry covers several interconnect sub-disciplines, including molecular biochemistry, is focused on the structure and function of basic biological molecules such as proteins, DNA, RNA, and lipids, and their interaction within cells. Cellular biochemistry studies chemical processes that take place inside cells, such as metabolism, substance transfer across membranes, and cell cycle. Metabolic biochemistry is investigates the chemical pathway that convert food substance into energy or cells building blocks, anabolism, and break down molecules into simpler substance or catabolism. Genetic biochemistry is explores the structure of DNA, RNA replication, transcription, translation, and the regulation of gene expression through chemical processes. Pharmacological biochemistry is examines how drug compounds interact with biological molecules and affect bodily processes. Ecological biochemistry studies chemical processes at the ecosystem level, such as nutrient, nutrient cycles, interaction between living organisms and their environment through chemical substance. Biochemistry has wide-ranging applications in various fields, including health and medicine, developing new drugs, diagnosing diseases through blood chemical tests, understanding the causes of disease such as cancer and genetic disorders, and developing vaccines. Agriculture is developing pest and disease resistant crops, understanding plant metabolism to increase fat yields, and developing efficient fertilizers. Food science, developing healthier and longer lasting food products, testing food safety, and understanding food production process such as fermentation, industry using microbes and enzymes to produce chemicals, renewable fuels such as bioethanol and cosmetic products. In conservation, understanding the impact of pollution on living organisms through chemical analysis of the environment and organisms. So this video I made to explain about my major. Hope you enjoy this video, guys.